how to clear cache on iPhone. Is your iPhone running slow or apps acting up? Let's clear the cache step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up Safari in your device. So to do that, click on this browser icon at the bottom of your screen. And then once you're on Safari, go ahead and click on your profile at the top right. And then from here, go ahead and select manage your Google account. So from here, select data and privacy, and then go ahead and look for the clear browser cache or data in the past 24 hours from there. Another thing you can do is to clear cache or offload apps. So to do that, go ahead and open up settings on your iOS device, and then go ahead and scroll down and look for general. So once you find general, go ahead and click on it, and that will take you to the general settings. Scroll down and look for iPhone storage, click on it, and then go ahead and select that specific app that you want to offload, and then you'd find this offload button in this page. And that is how you can basically clear cache on iPhone.